How to log into your Walgreens employee account. To access your Walgreens employee account, first of all, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Walgreens OneID sign-on page. Once you search for the Walgreens, tap on the Walgreens option available there and navigate to its official website. Now here, all you have to do is, first of all, choose your country. Tap on the country option available there and a list will available. From there, tap on it. Or if you don't have your country name listed, you can tap on the other. Then tap on the continue option available there. Now, you'll be navigated to enter your credentials. Here, input your OneID employee ID in the OneID field and enter your password in the password field. Then click on the sign on button to access your account. But if you have forgotten your password, then click the forgot password link on the sign in page and all you have to do is follow the prompts to reset your password. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.